This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Have you ever wondered how many different ways a number can be divided evenly? For example, here we have 10 seashells. We could divide these seashells into 2 equal groups of 5, and we can also divide them into 5 equal groups of 2. When we use pictures to help us, it is easier to see how many different ways we can divide things into different groups. But sometimes we have bigger numbers and we don't have pictures. Did you know that there are some divisibility rules that can help us figure out different ways we can divide numbers? Today we will learn about them. Let's get started. Let's think about the number 120. How can we divide this number into smaller groups? We can use divisibility rules to help us. For example, is 120 divisible by 2? We could do long division to find out, but there's actually a divisibility rule that can help us find out faster. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends with a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. These are all even numbers, so the divisibility rule for 2 is that the digit in the ones place must be even. 120 has a 0 in the ones place, so this means 120 is divisible by 2. Awesome! Is 120 divisible by 3? Once again, we could do long division to figure it out, but there's a faster way. A number is divisible by 3 when the sum of the digits that make up the number can be divided evenly by 3. Usually, the sum of the digits will be a small number that is easy to check if it can be divided evenly by 3. For example, when we take the digits in 120, 1, 2, and 0, and add them together, the sum is 3. And since we already know that 3 is divisible by 3, this also means 120 is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is not divisible by 3, then the number cannot be divided evenly by 3. Next, a number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible by both 2 and 3. You can remember this if you notice that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. We already know that 120 is divisible by both 2 and 3, so this means it is also divisible by 6. It is important to remember that if a number is only divisible by 2 or only divisible by 3, then it cannot be divisible by 6. It must be divisible by both numbers for the rule to be true. When the digit in the ones place is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. And when the digit in the ones place is 0, it is divisible by 10. 120 has a 0 in the ones place, so this means it can be divided evenly by both 5 and 10. Awesome. Let's review. We know a number is divisible by 2 when it ends with an even number. A number is divisible by 3 when the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 5 when it ends with 0 or 5. And a number is divisible by 10 when it ends with a 0. These divisibility rules help us find some of the possible ways a number can be divided evenly. Let's try it. Is 95 divisible by 5? First, let's think about the divisibility rule for 5. We know that a number can be divided evenly by 5 when it ends with a 0 or 5. 95 has a 5 in the ones place, so yes, 95 is divisible by 5. Nice! Let's try another. Is 31 divisible by 2? Let's see. We know that a number must end with a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in order to be divided evenly by 2. 31 has a 1 in the ones place, so this means no, 31 is not divisible by 2. Nice! Let's keep going. Is 57 divisible by 3? Do you remember the divisibility rule for 3? That's right. We know a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. The digits in 57 are 5 and 7. And when we add 5 and 7, the sum is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. This means yes, 57 is divisible by 3. Nice. Let's keep going. Is 170 divisible by 10? Well, we know that any number that ends with 0 can be divided evenly by 10. 170 has a 0 in the ones place. So yes, 170 is divisible by 10. Great work. Let's try one more together. Is 386 divisible by 6? Do you remember the rule for 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's use these rules to find the answer. First, a number is divisible by 2 if the digit in the ones place is an even number. 386 has a 6 in the ones place. 6 is an even number. So this means 386 can be divided evenly by 2. Next, we know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits can be divided evenly by 3. 3 plus 8 plus 6 is 17. Is 17 divisible by 3? No, it is not. So, because 386 is not divisible by 2 and 3, this means the answer is no. 386 is not divisible by 6. Great work! You are ready to practice using the divisibility rules on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.